Are you tired of the high prices and limitations of DJI drones? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Mini 4K Drone. The Mini 4K drone, priced at $299, what caught my attention was its impressive 4K Ultra HD camera and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. If you want high-quality footage without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 4K resolution means you can actually zoom in and identify a face from 30 feet away, which is exactly what you need if you're capturing important moments. Plus, it boasts a 10-kilometer video transmission range, allowing you to explore without worrying about losing connection. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes, you won't have to rush through your shots. And here's why this matters. The Mini 4K is under 249 grams, so you don't need FAA registration, making it perfect for casual flying. Now, some people complained about the DJI Fly app being unavailable on Google Play, which might frustrate Android users. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to download it directly from the official website, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just want a reliable drone for casual use. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like obstacle avoidance. Honestly, for the price and performance, it's a solid value. Now, if the app issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. FPV Remote Controller 3. The FPV Remote Controller 3, priced at $203.90, this caught my eye because it's designed for those who want to take control of their flying experience. If you want precision and adaptability in your drone piloting, this is worth considering. Engineered for DJI O4 video transmission, the controller is lighter and offers longer operating time. This means you get better responsiveness and can fly longer without interruption. The extended control sticks let you fine-tune your maneuvers, making it ideal for advanced pilots who like to push their skills. The manual mode is a game changer for practicing more sophisticated moves, which could be just what you need to level up. But some users mention that it might take time to get used to the new features, especially if you're transitioning from older models. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the precision it offers is worth every second of adjustment. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced pilot looking to enhance your flying capabilities. Skip this one if you're a casual flyer who just wants something simple. Overall, it's a great investment for serious drone enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners. Product number 3, the Mini 3 drone. This one stood out to me because of its true vertical shooting feature. If you want to capture stunning vertical shots with ease, this is definitely worth checking out. The Mini 3 shoots in 4K HDR video, meaning you get amazing quality whether it's day or night. The 10-kilometer video transmission allows you to explore vast landscapes, and its flight time of up to 51 minutes with an extra battery means you can enjoy long sessions without interruption. Plus, the wind resistance makes it reliable in various weather conditions. Here's why this matters. If you're serious about aerial photography, these features allow you to get the best shots without worrying about the tech getting in your way. Now, some users reported that the weight increases beyond 249 grams with the larger battery, meaning registration might be required. But honestly, if you're willing to stick to the standard battery, you can keep things hassle-free. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring content creator looking for a lightweight and powerful drone. Skip this one if you want advanced features like obstacle avoidance. For what it offers, the value is fantastic. Now, if the weight issue is a concern for you, the next drone might just be what you need. Product number 4, the Neo 2 Motion Fly More Combo. While the price is not publicly listed, it's packed with features that could make it worth every penny. This drone is designed for beginners who want to ease into FPV flying. If you want an immersive flying experience without complications, this is worth considering. With its lightweight design and palm takeoff feature, getting started is a breeze. The gesture control is super intuitive, allowing you to operate it hands-free. Active track keeps your subject in focus, ensuring you capture every moment. The built-in omnidirectional obstacle sensing means you can fly with confidence, avoiding collisions easily. Here's why this matters. If you're new to drones, these features make it friendly and approachable, helping you learn without fear. However, some users have pointed out that it might lack the advanced controls found in higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for beginners, simplicity can be more beneficial than complexity. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want something that's easy to fly. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced performance features. Overall, it's a great beginner's package. Alright, that was an interesting option, but the last drone I'm about to share might really surprise you. Product number 5, DJI Neo Drone. Let's talk about the DJI Neo Drone. Priced similarly to the others, this drone is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for casual flyers. If you're looking for a compact and user-friendly drone, this is worth a look. At just 135 grams, it's incredibly lightweight and requires no FAA registration, making it ultra-portable. The Palm takeoff and landing feature means you can literally launch it from your hand, which is a fun way to get started. Plus, the subject tracking and quick shots features let you easily capture all your adventures without needing to be a pro. This makes it perfect for family gatherings or spontaneous outings. Here's why this matters. If you want to share moments without fussing over controls, the Neo makes that easy. Some users have mentioned the lack of advanced settings, which could be frustrating for those looking to really push their skills. But honestly, for casual use, this is not a deal breaker. It's designed to be simple and fun. This is perfect for you if you're someone who wants an easy-to-use drone for everyday adventures. Skip this one if you're seeking advanced features like complex flight modes. For its simplicity and performance, the value is hard to beat. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Mini 3 because of its amazing imaging capabilities and ease of use. Avoid the FPV Remote Controller 3 if you're not ready for advanced controls. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.